CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we are going to be unboxing a massager from Amazon. It's a gun massager. So here is the massager. Let me see if I can show that to you. There's a glare of the camera. Oops. So let's try to open this box. I got it in Amazon on a sale for Father's Day. The brand is called Elefor. So here are the features. Vibration massager, 20 vibration speeds, brushless motor for low noise operation, lightweight design, built-in batteries 2 hours when fully charged. There's a battery level indicator. Includes a zip carry case for storage and easy travel. So let's get that out of the way, and I'll scoot this down a little bit so you can see. This box is really nice. It's actually a really heavy duty box. And what I like about this, compared to the thousands they have on Amazon, is that it comes with a case, which is pretty convenient. As you can see here, here's the case. It's very nice. Let me try to zoom this out so you can see better. Okay, so here are the accessories, I think. Let me put this on the table so you can see the accessories. So we got this kind of ball looking thing. This one is another one. So how many attachments do we have? So we've got 6 attachments here. So actually there is 2 extra ones that fell out, so it's 8 attachments in total. And we have this, the massager itself. This is pretty heavy. I wasn't expecting this, but yes, this is pretty heavy. So you can see it has a USB-C type charging port. There you go. So when I turn this on, you'll see this kind of LCD screen here. Please tear off protective film before you use. Oh, there you go. So you can see. And then you got the levels. You see the highest level here. We have 20. So 20 is the highest level, and the battery is 80%, which is really nice that it has a battery indicator. See that, and let's see what else is in this case. There's their manual. It's a charger. It does not come with a charging block, but I do have a lot of those, so it's not an issue. Fully charged battery for up to 2 hours before first use. So battery may be recharged. So there's speed, power start, on and off. It is pretty straightforward. So here are the attachments. So this is the round shape attachment. I'm not going to read all the description. It's just a round spherical design, produces power. Mushroom shape. It's the mushroom shape. The U shape is this one. And then we got a conical shape is this one. Curved head is this one. Comb head. Special customization. This is the thumb, so it mimics your thumb. And you got a sector one for relaxation and plasticity of various muscle parts. Apply to massage the neck, Achilles tendon, and spine. So let's try it out. I'm gonna try out each of these attachments. Let's see if it's easy to. So let's see. I think it's a screw type of attachment. So you just have to screw it like that. That actually feels good. So at 20, that's 20. Let's slow down. Let's see here. 10. Oops, and that's 0. 1. So that's good. Let's try another attachment. I'm gonna try this comb one, see what it does. So this one is probably, let's see. No, this one is, as you can see. So the only thing I wish is that there would be like a automatic stop button if you want to turn it off, not just go to 0. Like if you're at 10, you would have to go all the way to 0 to turn it off. That's the only thing that I noticed. Let's try a few more. Let's see here. Let's try the thumb. Let's see if this one works as a thumb. Let's see. So if you have to like massage the spine, it actually feels pretty good at 4. I don't think you have to go as far as 20. I think 10 would be okay. As you can see, look at my fingers moving. That is actually really nice. So I will definitely recommend this product. It looks really nice and fancy for how much I paid for it. I think I paid around $25 for it on sale. Yeah, so it's really nice. It came with all these accessories. I'm sorry about my alarm, but that is our video for today. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.